Kaizen, Japanese for improvement. When used in business sense and applied to the workplace, Kaizen refers to activities that continuously improve all functions and involve all employees from the CEO to the assembly line workers. K means change and Zen means good, or in other words, change for good. Kaizen has been practiced in many industries such as banking, government, healthcare and many others. Nowadays, Kaizen is recognized as the main pillar of organizations' long-term competitive strategies, and it is also known as never-ending improvement quality. Kaizen costing is a cost reduction system. Kaizen costing, also known as the maintenance of present cost levels for products currently being manufactured via systematic efforts to achieve the desired cost level. This can be done through effective waste management, continuous product improvement, or better deals in the acquisition of raw materials. Kaizen costing is on the cost cutting, while Kaizen is on improvement of product quality. Kaizen primarily focus on the improvement of quality with the elimination of waste. How Kaizen is used depends on the organization, because Kaizen may be used differently and this may be due to different business scopes, but the objective is still the same. Kaizen has a cycle which also known as the Schuhart cycle, Deming cycle or PDCA cycle: plan, do, check and act, and this cycle can be defined as 5 whys technique also been used along with the PDCA cycle, in which users will ask a series of 5 why questions on how failure can happen. However, Kaizen is more popular with the use of 5s, which are the abbreviation of Japanese words, Siri, Seiten, Shizo, Shiketsu and Shitsuke. There are 2 types of Kaizen that been recognized, which are Kaizen Blitz and Kaizen Burst. Kaizen Blitz brings a drastic improvement in a relative short period of time. Kaizen Burst, in the other hand, is a specific activity on a particular process in the value stream. Advantages: lead to a greater understanding and cooperation in working place. Can recognize employee efforts. Can make correction and add value. Disadvantages: resistance of the worker to change to the new management system. It can lead to sinking returns. Increase the burden on lower management. Real case on implementation of Kaizen. In 1990s, Toyota implementing Kaizen. At this period, Toyota was facing labor shortage of young workers due to low birth rate in Japan for the previous 20 years and newly hired young workers demanding for higher wages. Due to this, 25% of young workers left the company on first year working there. To overcome this problem, Toyota took an initiative by employing many temporary workers in the assembly line. Since temporary workers are not well trained, it has causes the annual working hours to increase and decrease the productivity. The global demand in car during 1990s becomes a huge problem to Toyota. To handle this problem, Toyota decided to change its production management and human resource management practices radically. Toyota changed its working conditions so that many young high school graduates and workers are more attracted to work there. This implementation of Kaizen has made Toyota successful for a long period of time. Applicability: Kaizen costing applicable in Malaysia, especially in our automotive industry like Perodua, which manufacturing lead to elimination of waste, hence reduce the cost. As we can see in Revolution of Perodua cars, first model is Cancel, followed by Kelisa, Canary, Viva and the new model. Perodua always makes an improvement for every model they produced, especially on oil savings and the price of the car. It is affordable by middle and low income. With this kind of improvement, it can benefit everyone. Kaizen is treated as short-term planning. Kaizen is not a short-term project because implementation of Kaizen takes time. No training on Kaizen. With training, knowledge can be obtained and can be made successful. Lack supports by the management. Kaizen changes whole organization to be better, not just the group that doing the work.
Created using Powtoon.